Hi superstars! Today I'll be giving you an update on plantain chips business in Nigeria. Plantain chips is one snack that is commonly consumed in Nigeria. It is loved by people because it has low calories, it is crispy and can be very delicious. So many people who were into plantain chips business complained that they were not making profits from plantain chips business, and this is very true. Some months ago, the price of plantains skyrocketed. 3 ears of plantains were sold for 1,000 naira. At most 4 ears, tiny ears of plantain were sold at 1,000 naira. 6 ears of sizable plantains were sold at 2,000 naira, and 8 ears of good plantain were sold at 3,000 naira. And for people who were in plantain chips business, this was not good for business, because after slicing it and frying it, including cost of vegetable oil, your gas and packaging, they realized that they were not making profits. So many people complained to me that they were not making profits from plantain chips. So I set out to find an alternative, which was using banana to make plantain chips. This banana is a very unique species of banana which tasted like plantains after being fried. So my superstars, go and check it out, how to make banana chips. Okay, the link is in the description box. But nevertheless, lots of people still prefer plantain chips and they were not making profit. So some people opted out from the business for a while. But you know what, my superstars? I've got great news for you. For people who had to stop for a while due to cost of plantain chips, you don't have to. Plantain is back, my superstars. Plantain is back in the market. So this is the season for plantain. Plantain has increased in the market. The last time I was in the market, I saw loads and loads of plantain being pushed into the market. And for people who have local markets, then now is the best time to rush to those local markets, because you will see lots and lots of plantain, which can enable you buy and start your plantain chips business all over again and make maximum profits. Okay, my superstars, so when I saw this in the market, I decided to come by and share this great news with you. Okay, you can go ahead and buy your plantains. Now about 5 ears of plantain is sold at 500 naira in the market, which means if you go to your local market, you'll be able to get it more and at a cheaper rate, which will enable you start your plantain chips business again and make profits. You may have to make some modifications too to increase profit, but nevertheless, it's a great start for people who are in plantain chips business. So that's what I came to tell you, my superstars. For people who are just seeing this video for the first time, I've done lots of videos on how to start plantain chips business in Nigeria, how to make plantain chips for sale, how to make commercial plantain chips, how to make ripe plantain chips, how to add pepper to plantain chips, how to add garlic to plantain chips, how to add sugar to plantain chips, how to use banana to make plantain chips. Okay, my superstars, lots and lots of videos. The link is in the description box. Please go and check it out. And for people who complain that their plantain chips is not always crispy after they fried and left it for a period of time, I made a video on why is my plantain chips not crispy. Why is it not crunchy? The link is in the description box. Go and check it out. Okay, my superstars, all right, I won't take this video for long because we don't have light, but I needed to show up to give you this update. All right, thank you, my superstars. Till our next video. In the meantime, please like and share this video. If you love this kind of content, please write it in the comment section. I love, and give me a thumbs up. All right, till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.